Alright, so I've just gone through a major pain in the ass getting this side done, but finally, after a lot of cleaning, a rotor and pads are in. It should work. I don't see why it wouldn't. Oh my god, how ridiculous. So what we're going to do is come over here, take this rotor, and I'll take you through all the steps I did to clean up this bad boy, because it's very similar to the last one. It's going to need to have the pinholes cleaned out and all of that fun stuff. So let's get to it.